What is the deal, beautiful, beloved people? First off, I hope you guys are having a safe, distant quarantine. So I wanted to go ahead and share this opportunity with you guys because a lot of my friends, a lot of people I know are able to receive money in their pocket. Even during this quarantine, I was able to wake up to a direct deposit into my bank account. So I want to share this with you guys and get you guys that income into your pockets. Not only are you going to get are we going to help you to get $20 right now, but we're also going to show you how to also create consistent income on top of that, even during this quarantine, using nothing but smartphone, laptop, internet connection, the basics. So we're going to get into, I'm going to make this video real quick. This is all you're going to be doing. I'm connected partner with my company right here. What's good? Happy Squad HJA Network is back. First off, I want to say I hope you guys are having a safe and happy quarantine. Now, I know for a lot of us, everybody's closing down, businesses are closing down, so a lot of people can't work. So I want to make sure to share this with you guys immediately. So I'm just going to get to it. I'm going to show you what's going on. So this is really, really simple. What I do is really simple digital marketing. I partner with many different companies. I think that this company is great for you guys to make your first dollar online. It's going to be really simple. What you're going to do is you're going to click on the link in this description. It's going to bring you to this page. Only thing you're going to need is 2 email addresses and $1. And we're going to get you that $20 into your bank account, just like I showed you. And on top of that, I'm going to show you how to make multiple payments into your banking account over and over and over again so you can continue making money during this quarantine. So it's going to be simple. You're going to just follow the instructions, follow the website. You sign up here. When you get to the next page, it's going to prompt you and show you the steps to take. Just use 2 different email addresses. That's all. Use one email address for step 1 and then use a second email address for the next one. You guys can reach out to me on Facebook or Instagram if you have any questions. So let's get to it. Let me show you the payment proof. So we can see right here, very, very simple. Everybody's getting these payments. This right here, $21 added to your card, $21.15. Let's show you another one. Young lady here, $21.20 added to her bank account. We have another young lady here, $1,700 in 3 days. $50 per referral, $1,700 in 3 days, guys. Let's see another one right here, $21.25 added to the account. I am blurring out people's information. I don't want them to have people messaging them, and I didn't ask them for permission, but this is from our Facebook group right here, $51.25 commission proof earned. So this is happening right now. This could be happening for you. Also, I want you to, just like me, wake up to money in your bank account, even though you don't have anywhere to work or you might be temporarily out of work. Hopefully some of you guys can do this. You won't even have to go back to your job if you don't want to. I know a lot of you guys probably don't want to have to do that. So just follow the link in the description. Once you do that, I want you to message me and let me know it's done. I'm going to add you to our Facebook group. This is only one opportunity. My mentor is constantly sending me opportunities for you guys to make money. But what I'm going to do is make sure that you guys not only receive a little bit of money to your bank account, but also that you learn the skills to be able to market so that you can make this type of income on a regular basis if you choose to. But that's all I got to say. So go ahead and follow the steps. If you have any questions, feel free to message me. I apologize if it takes me a while to get to you. I'm talking to a lot of people at one time. But I will talk to you guys very, 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 very soon. Please excuse my quarantine look. Got the quarantine afro, the quarantine beard going on. It feels good. I think I'm going to go ahead and grow it out, see how it looks. But I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.